have a tear in one of my drop cloths. And then there's a big one too. I'm gonna patch this up using thread and needle. And I'm gonna just sew this little piece together. I don't want it to get larger. Let me just get that together. Show you all the process. Get that little joker in here. Trying to get it before the wife get here. Huh? How long did that take? Somebody tell me. I think I did. Oh. 8 tries. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna feed it on one side. Try to see how close I got that. Right there is where we're looking. And just want to close that up. Just like that. On the other side, I'm going probably 1/8 of an inch out. Some kind of darn seamstress. 1/8 of an inch out, bring it in here. Okay. If y'all watched that Frankenstein movie, those are the kind of stitches that I'm gonna get. So make this a little faster. Just like that. Okay. Get on to the end, I'm gonna come back. It's just like getting stitches. Make it. Why am I doing this? I want it to look neat. Down here with bring your cloth out and you lay it out. Your customers look at it and say, "Oh, he came over here with all tore up canvas." And no, not me. If I get a tear, I'm gonna fix that joker. I want it to look pretty. Pick up right where I left off. Right here. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna bring it back and show you all what I was doing. And then I'm gonna do the same thing and take it back down that way. So I'm not gonna show the whole process. Call me Singer. Either Singer or Frankenstein. Just a few more. Alright, this is the start where I started. So I'm gonna go through here a couple of times and get a knot. Pick it up. Get a knot. Alright. Now, let's see what we got here. That looks a lot better. I don't have that tear. Let's see what it looks like. other side.